Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
I am now going to take some trades on Pocket Option Auto Trader via Play here on my arcade machine. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, this time around I'm going to use a strategy that fits more on a higher time frame. So let's see how it goes. I will take a few trades and let's see which type of win rate we can make and what type of profit we can make with this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. It's completely for free. So now let's start up and let's see how we do. So there you have it. You don't need a big win rate to print money with Pocket Option Auto Trader. So if you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube, as we made more than $1,000 profit this time around. So with that, have an amazing day.